Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Remember those days when all you wanted was the old school macaroni and cheese? Well, now you can have it as a grown-up with the GrownAs mac and cheese that is completely plant-based and vegan. I was able to try both the truffle and the classic mac and cheese. Both of them are made with the old school elbow macaroni, just like you're used to. The vegan cheese that it comes with is absolutely delicious. The classic has a typical cheddar cheese kind of taste. You can definitely feel like you're going old school with the classic. The truffle is a luxurious, deep, dense taste. That's the best way I can think to describe it. It's velvety and creamy and smooth. And I really like that I was able to try it reheated and it tasted just as good, if not better. I really love that it had the nostalgia of the old school style mac and cheese. However, it definitely has a grown-up taste. It's nice to know that you're eating something healthier. And I didn't find it overly salted. So sometimes you might feel like you're getting a mix, but it's super salty and not as enjoyable. However, these products are not. The boxes are also made in compostable paper, which is a nice touch, showing that they're not only concerned about us and what we put in our bodies, but also the environment. So if you are ready to go back to the old days by trying some grown-up mac and cheese, go with these flavors. You will absolutely love the creamy, rich taste, and you will love this as a side dish or as a nice main meal. And that's my point of view.